Hello everybody and welcome to another fine edition of Miniature Air Hockey. Today we have another exciting matchup today between the Blizzards and Medusa. So far this season, the team who's played as the red team has not won a game. We're calling it the curse of the red stick, and the Medusa are going to try to break that streak today, as they will play as the red team today. The Blizzards will be in blue as we're just set to get underway here. The puck's at center ice. We got 2 minutes on the clock and we are off and running. The Medusa win the face-off and already they've gone off a couple good shots. Now both sides are trading some jabs. It's a little success so far. 15 seconds in, it's 0-0 the score. This is another edition of Miniature Air Hockey. This is going to be the last time we're experimenting with different clock rules. We're going to be going with 2 2-minute periods for the rest of the season. And the Blizzards score! And they're up 1-0 already as we near the 1 minute mark here in period number 1 of game number 1. Both sides are trading off jabs. The Blizzards have a 1-0 lead. The Medusa, no good. Now Blizzards are just firing off shots here. No goals are falling in. That one almost goes in for the Blizzard. The shot no good. Both sides are getting off a lot of shots here, and no one has scored in about a minute here. It's a 1-0 game with less than a minute to go in the period. Neither side is getting off some good shots right now. And they score! The Blizzards have just taken a 2-0 lead. And that's going to be a big momentum swing for them. Hopefully they can get more going. And they score again! It's now 3-0 in favor of the Blizzard. 20 seconds left in the period. They're up 3. And that one almost goes in. It bounces right out. Now Blizzard are starting to take control of this game, and they score again! It's now 4-0 here in the first period of game number 1. Both sides are trading off jabs. It's 4-0 here. 2 seconds left. 1. That one almost goes in at the last second, but the end of the first period will have a score of 4-0 in favor of the Blizzard.
This is half number 2.
Now we're about to start game 1, period 2. 2 minutes on the clock. The Blizzard win the face-off. They're up 4-0 right now. Both sides are trading off some shots right now. And that one goes in for the Blizzard. It's now 5-0. The Blizzard are starting to look good here. And they score again. They're up 6-0. We're only 20 seconds in the period, and they have already extended their lead to 6. It's just a matter of time before the Blizzard close this out. You gotta wonder, when will the curse of the red stick end? And they score their own goal, and the Blizzard are now up 7. And that shot goes in for Medusa. The Blizzard had trouble fishing that up, and the Medusa are on the board. It's now a 7-1 game here with a minute left in regulation. And they score. The Blizzard are now up 8-1. They have a 7-point lead here, and the Medusa come right back and score. Now 8-2. And they score again. It's now 9-2 with 50 seconds left in the game. The Blizzard have a 7-point lead over the Medusa, trying to close out a victory, and the Medusa score. It's now 9-3. 40 seconds left. The Blizzard lose their stick, and the Medusa have missed 2 wide open shots there. Boy, that was a big opportunity missed. And then they finally score. It's now 9-4. But you gotta wonder, the Blizzard or the Medusa missing those wide open shots there, if that will play a factor in deciding this game. And the Blizzard come back and score. It's now 10-5. There's about 10 seconds left. It's 10-5 Blizzard. They have a 5-point lead. They're just trying to close this one out. 5 seconds left. And this one's all but secured for the Blizzard, and game one will go to the Blizzards. They win 10-5 over Medusa. As we see the fans here, they're all excited. Medusa fans not so much. And we go into game number two with the score 10-5. But first, we gotta thank our sponsors of Lego Ninjago for being an unofficial sponsor. And then also we gotta give a huge thanks and shout out to Wilhan Music and Tidal Wave Entertainment for creating this league and making it as great as it is. Without them, this thing would have never happened. As we get ready to start game number two here, the puck is at center ice and we're underway. Both sides trading off shots here early. No success on the Blizzard score, and they're now up 1-0. And they're already out to a lead already. 15 seconds in, it's 1-0 Blizzard. Just to recap, the team who's played with the Red Stick has not won a game all season so far. And they score there, and Medusa tied it at 1 here, 30 seconds into the period. Now Medusa are trying to snap a 5-game losing streak for whatever team's played with the Red Stick. That one's hit out of play there, as both sides are again trading shots with little success here. And we got about a minute left in the period, still 1-1, and a Medusa score, and they have their first lead of the day. That was a good shot right there from the Medusa, and they now have a 1-point lead here. Their first lead of the season. Now both sides are trading off some shots here to a little success. That shot's no good. That one's no good. We have about 40 seconds here in the period. The Medusa lead it 2-1. This game's been back and forth so far, and the Blizzard just tied it up at 2. 30 seconds left in the period. It's all tied up at 2. Both sides are now firing shots at each other, but nothing's going in. We have about 20 seconds left. Medusa shooting, no good. Blizzard come back firing, they're no good. Neither side's been able to punch stuff in this game. Both sides have been playing excellent defense, as seen by our low 2-2 score so far. 5 seconds left in the period. This one looks like it's going to end in a 2-2 tie at halftime. And I believe that might be the first time all season we've had a tied game at halftime, and that's also the lowest scoring half in league history so far, with only 4 total points.
Go.
As we start period number 2 and game number 2, it's 2-2 here. This game is going back and forth so far. Both sides playing excellent defense. No one's able to really knock in any shots here, as we are about 20 seconds into the period. And that one almost goes in for the Medusa, with the Blizzard fish it out of the goal. Both sides are trading off shots now. The minute and a half remaining. And shot's no good. And the Medusa score. They're now at 3-2 here. In game number 2, they're trying to win. And the Blizzard just come back and they tie it at 3. It's now 3-3 here with about a minute left. Both sides have trading off shots, and the Medusa score. It's now 4-3. 1 minute left in the game. This one is close. It's only 1 point, and the Blizzard tied it up at 4. Less than a minute to go. It's tied at 4. This game is going back and forth. Who knows who's going to pull out this one? This is the game of the year so far. That one's hit out of play. 45 seconds left. Both sides trading off shots. Who is going to score? Who's going to win? Who's going to take this game? We're going to find out here in the next 30 seconds. And the Blizzard scoring. They take a 5-4 lead with 30 seconds left. Boy, that could have been huge. And he's come back and scored another goal. They are pissed off. It's now 5-5. And the Medusa come back and score again. It's now 6-5 Medusa. 15 seconds left. The Medusa scored an goal. The Blizzard have tied it at 6. The excitement is unbelievable here. It has gone back and forth. 2 seconds left, and the Medusa scored!
and they win! The Medusa have won the game! The team playing in red has finally won! Unbelievable! The Medusa fans are going nuts here! What an exciting day here in miniature air hockey. The Blizzard won game 1 10-5. In game 2 the Medusa come back and they win 7-6. Overall in the day the Blizzard outscored Medusa 16-12 as both sides have moved to 1-1 in the year. We'd like to thank you for watching this edition of Miniature Air Hockey, and we would ask that you please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.